My correct people, Sophia fans don't come out, come dey defend Sophia, come dey talk say Sophia was a loving person. Say na Davido dey make her, she no dey a loving person again. Na Davido make face baby mama and her colleague no dey together again. Okay, so wetin una dey tell me say na because of Davido make Harry mama celebrate Harry's birthday, Sophia no react to it? Or let Imade go to Harry's birthday, a sister from another mother's birthday. Na wetin una wan tell me na Davido cause am abi? One thing wey me I no understand be say how this matter take involve Davido. Say Sophia no celebrate Imade's sister from another mother's birthday. Now una no come dey drag Davido, come dey talk say na Davido make Sophia no dey behave very well. Say Davido don cause her too much pains, imagine. If Sophia dey vex for Harry mama, na Sophia fault, no be Davido fault. Because I don see why your best friend dey celebrate her baby's birthday. You no come comment, no wishes. Now Sophia fans wan come turn the table around, come dey talk say na Davido, come dey involve Davido for wetin no concern Davido. Now that one no reach una, una come dey drag Chioma, come dey talk say na Sophia be all and all. Na come dey insult Chioma, come dey talk say na Sophia sabi bring Davido children together. Come dey talk say Chioma no fit do that kind thing. Now wey Davido don marry Chioma, don move on, dey happy with Chioma. Why she no celebrate the person wey she dey claim say be her friend daughter's birthday? This one go let una know say na eye service dem dey do. Because all those things wey she dey try to put together to just prove a point, na because during that time she think say na she be the main one, na she Davido go marry. Now wey Davido move on go marry Chioma, she never stop am. That one to prove una say na eye service, truth no be from her mind she dey do am. Shey una don see no be Chioma's fault? Because if una ask me, Chioma and Amanda no be best of friends. Chioma and Sophia no be best of friends. Na only Sophia and Amanda be best of friends. During that time wey she dey do am, she dey put the children together. Social media come dey talk say, hey, this woman na good woman o. Not knowing say na her button she dey press. She just want to win Davido's heart. So Davido go think say, hey, she no be a jealous type o. Person wey fit be friend with her own arrival, even come dey put Davido children in order, just to make sure say she occupy all Davido heart. And for all those people wey dey deceive, una no know say person wey dey press her button very well go know say your arrival, you need to bring her closer. Wetin Sophia do that time, and because you know say Amanda na her arrival, na him make her bring her closer to be her friends, to know the way she go use penetrate. People that say word that say that bring your friend closer and bring your enemy closer too. Because if you bring your enemies closer, you go know their in and out. So if you want penetrate through them, it go dey very easy for you because you already know their in and out. You already know their secret, their style, their strategies. Because you don't know the way they think, the way they move, the way they act, the way they react. My country people, una dey understand na wetin na the method wey Sophia used during that time. So that the Adeleke's family go dey see her, hey, our wife o, na good person o, na better person o. This one go make a home o, na the kind key wey she dey play that time. Wan use that titles win Davido heart and Davido papa and her siblings and his siblings heart. Just to win Davido's siblings heart. Shey Davido don marry Chioma, she don stop am to let una know say no be Chioma cause am. Una want make una drag Chioma dey always win. Be na Chioma tell am say Sophia o no celebrate Amanda's daughter's birthday o. Anything una go drag Chioma, una go drag Davido. If truly say all those things wey she dey do na truly from her heart, she go dey celebrate that girl dey go. She go dey celebrate Harry dey go. Be she dey come for social media, come dey talk say sister. Wetin happen? Abi they don stop to dey be sister? Me, I no kukuruma dey support anybody. I just want to talk the reality because I don see so many manipulation. Because I don see why Sophia go do. Her fans no go caution her. They go dey turn the table, they manipulate everything to Sophia's own favor. Una go drag Davido, una go drag Chioma wey be innocent. Sincerely speaking, if you be good person truly, if you person wey dey social truly, no matter wetin person go do, you go make you change. If you change, that means all those good things wey you dey do na eye service, no be true. Na wetin Sophia dey do. Because she don see say Davido no marry am, Davido marry Chioma, say he dey in love with Chioma. They see the way Davido dey pamper Chioma, dey acknowledge Chioma, say Davido never treat am conquer the way he dey treat Chioma. God say before she think say there is chance for Davido to marry her. Now she don't see say there is no chance for Davido to marry her. She can't just go back to her true color. She can't dey show out her real color. Can't stop her pretending, can't be her real self. My country people, this one na reality. This one go let una know say Sophia na corny person. Davido even know say na corny person. Now he make all this corner, all those emotional blackmail no get to Davido because Davido don't already know her. Don't know say she's a emotionally blackmail and she dey very corner and very tricky. So all those Sophia fans, make una dey talk to una fame, make una dey talk to una queen, make una no dey drag Chioma and Davido to any matter wey no concern them. The one wey she no do well, make una tell am say our queen you no do well be anytime una go dey manipulate the situation, dey turn the table upside down, una no go talk simple truth. My country people, I rest my case for here. Make una comment for comment section, tell me wetin una think. See una for my next video. Make una remember so una dey watch Fortune TV. Make una dey like, dey subscribe my channel, dey share. There is love in sharing. For those who don't subscribe, I salute una, I welcome una by una time. Make una remain blessed.